Hey everyone, Desiree here. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I use the clear planners for my MAMBI sticker book storage. Now, I'm sure if you've been on Instagram, maybe on Facebook too, you have seen the trend that's not really that quite new, but everybody is kind of jumping on the bandwagon, so to speak, with these clear planners. And of course, you know, I had to jump in on the trend as well, and I went ahead and I ordered the planner, the clear planner, in an A5 size. Now, what I have done is I have actually used these planners as sticker storage for my MAMBI Create 365 sticker books, because it's been kind of an ongoing thing with me trying to find a way to store these stickers. So let me show you real quickly what I did. Now this is the A5 clear planner, and what I did is, you know, it's very simple. It's not a very complicated process at all. But what I did is I kind of ripped out the pages and I stuck them in here on or inside my clear planner. And I'll show you how I did it. You know, it does take a little bit of time. So might be something if you're considering doing, maybe taking an afternoon, you know, while you're watching a movie or Netflix or something, and you can really, you know, lay this out in a way that probably you might even make it better than how I made it. I just kind of threw them in there. But you may be able to organize your stickers in a way that kind of makes sense, because the way they put them in these little sticker books is kind of random. So if you're not familiar with the way these stickers come, I have quite a few. Now when you buy them, they come in little flip-up books like this. You know, which, I mean, it's not a horrible thing, but I don't like that I have to open it this way. I would prefer being able to open it this way, which is why I did this. And I do have quite a few of these books, and I find that I'm not using them because it's kind of a hassle to search through them all, find the sticker I want, and then, you know, flip through the pages and all that jazz. So let's go ahead and look at how I did this. Oh, and if you're not familiar with the clear planners, I actually ended up ordering 3 unintentionally, but this is what the A5 clear planner looks like here. And I will leave a link to the ones that I purchased below. I picked them up off of Amazon. They're not that expensive. They're about $10. It does come with these rulers, and then it's just a snap. And I just threw this paper in here for, you know, to test it out. But that's what it looks like. It's like a really thick, clear vinyl. And the rings are not that big. So I think they're probably about maybe 1 inch rings. So, but you can still fit, you know, a decent amount of pages in there. And then the other one I ordered is, they had it in a holographic color, and I hope you can see that. Kind of a holographic iridescent clear color. Again, I got this on Amazon, and I will link that below as well. So they're really fun, and because they're not that expensive, you know, if you buy 1 or 2, it's not going to break the bank and you find out that, you know, it doesn't work for you. It's not like you spend $100 on one of these clear planners. Okay, so back to the sticker storage. So what I did, and what I meant to do, was actually punch this so I can use it in here. But all I did was take regular copy paper or paper that I had. I happen to have this purple colored paper. And I used my paper cutter. I cut the sheets in half. And then I punched them using my 6-hole punch. Again, I got this off of Amazon. This isn't the greatest hole punch, but it got the job done. And then I stuck them in, and then I stuck 1 sheet of sticker paper on the front and the back. and I used a glue stick, and I didn't put a lot of glue on there. I just used a jumbo glue stick. Got this from Staples, and I literally just did a little blob and stuck it on, because when these pages, when I use up all the stickers, I want to be able to stick another page right on top. So that's all I did, and I'm finding I really like it. Now the cool thing is, the length of these pages actually fits in the A5 clear planner, so you don't get any overhang at the top or at the bottom. I don't know if you can see, but that's if I would have put the pages on straight, it would look a lot better, but I think you get the point. You know, you don't have any overhang on the top or the bottom. And some of the newer sticker books, you can actually trim the top where the hole is, and you have even more space to work with. So that's basically what I did. You know, it took me an afternoon to do this. It wasn't very long. And I just used some of the supplies I already had at home. You know, I already had the paper and the glue stick and the hole punch. So the only real investment was the clear planner. So as you can see, I've just kind of got them all in here. And it's been working wonderfully because I can see all of my stickers. And then if you'd like to be even more organized, you know, you can take the sticker cover and punch that and then stick it in here, so you know which sticker book, you know, as kind of like a divider, so you know which stickers are in which sticker book, if that makes sense. So, and that's all I did. You know, I didn't, I was trying to get it done so my pages aren't that neat, but as you can see, some of the newer sticker books, you're able to cut that hole off the top, so the whole sticker page actually fits on one of these half-size sheets of paper. Oops. And then I have another book here in the back. Now, I was able to get 3 books in one of these. And I'll show you what it looks like again. So, you know, getting 3 of them in there is pretty good, I think. And then you can obviously store another one not on the rings, just in the back there. I don't know, let me see if 2 will fit. Oh yeah, you could even put 2 back there. You know, not on the rings obviously, but if you wanted to just keep them all together. So yeah, this is just one idea to organize your MAMBI stickers. This is kind of a bit bulky. Now I have quite a few of these, so I don't know if I'm going to buy more of these to store my stickers, but I am going to fill up the 3 I have, and at least that way I can use my stickers instead of being overwhelmed by having so many and not being able to find either the ones I need or some that I would like to use or that would go with, you know, whatever my particular layout or spread or whatever. Alright, so that's it. I can't think of anything else to add, but I do love these clear planners. They're a lot of fun. I wish the rings were a bit bigger. I think that's the only complaint I have about them, but for the price, you really can't go wrong, and they seem to be in pretty good quality. You know, they don't seem to be like they're gonna fall apart. I mean, the rings are pretty tight on all the ones that I ordered, and I haven't had any issues so far, you know, with anything getting caught or any of these falling apart. So I do think it's worth the 10 bucks. All right, everyone. If you're not subscribed, please make sure you do so, because I do have a lot more videos to come. And if you have any questions, comments, anything, feel free to throw those down below. And I think that's it. All right, everyone, if you have any more ideas on how to use these clear planners, because obviously I'm not going to use this for planning, this won't work for me, but I'm interested in seeing other ways people are using this that's not using it as a planner. All right, everyone, thank you so much for taking the time to watch. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.